Guys, have you ever seen a waterfall so stunning that it leaves you speechless? Some waterfalls in this world are so unbelievably beautiful, they look like something out of a fantasy movie. From the tallest, the widest, to the most magical, here are the 5 most incredible waterfalls on Earth. Don't miss this. First on our list is Angel Falls in Venezuela, the tallest waterfall in the world. Guys, imagine water falling from a height of 979 meters, 3,212 feet. That's taller than the Burj Khalifa. This breathtaking waterfall is hidden deep within Canima National Park and surrounded by a mysterious rainforest. The craziest part? Because of its extreme height, much of the water turns into mist before even reaching the ground. It's truly a sight like no other. Next, we travel to the border of Brazil and Argentina to see one of the most spectacular waterfalls in the world, Iguazu Falls. Unlike a single waterfall, Iguazu consists of 275 separate falls coming together, creating an epic natural spectacle. The most famous part? The Devil's Throat, a massive U-shaped section where the water roars down with incredible force. The mist here even creates stunning rainbows, making it one of the most magical places on Earth. Now, let's talk about Victoria Falls, located between Zambia and Zimbabwe. This waterfall is so massive that locals call it the smoke that thunders, and for a good reason. The sound of the water can be heard from 40 kilometers, 25 miles away. With a width of 1.7 kilometers, 1 mile, this is one of the largest waterfalls in the world. During the rainy season, the water flows so powerfully that the mist rises like a cloud, creating an unforgettable view. For something truly magical, let's visit Plitvice Waterfalls in Croatia. Located in Plitvice Lakes National Park, these waterfalls look like they came straight out of a fairy tale. The crystal clear turquoise waters flow gently over multiple tiers of small waterfalls, creating a scene that feels almost unreal. If you're looking for a peaceful and enchanting waterfall destination, this is the one. Finally, let's head to Iceland to see Gullfoss, also known as the Golden Falls. This waterfall has a unique 2-tier drop, making it look even more powerful. In the winter, part of the waterfall freezes, creating a breathtaking icy landscape. The combination of rushing water, mist, and dramatic cliffs makes Gullfoss one of the most mystical waterfalls in the world. Guys, from the tallest Angel Falls to the magical Plitvice Waterfalls, which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another adventure. See you in the next video.